comes to its senses. China has captured a lot of India land in the war with India. Pakistan has also happily gifted Pakistan's land to China in order to help Pakistan. Since then, the friendship between China and Pakistan has touched new heights, and now if Pakistan is run, then China's run is certain too. It is such that despite being a separate country, China has invested heavily in Pakistan. So much investment has been made that China cannot turn a blind eye. Just a few days ago, Pakistan was issuing threats one after the other, and China has said that if there is a situation of war, then it will come to the battlefield on Pakistan's side. But now then it will come to the battlefield on Pakistan's side. But now Chinese language has changed. The definition has changed. The fear that Pakistan may get destroyed by the use of force has started bothering China too. That is why China is now pleading for peace. China has asked India and Pakistan to come to the peace table. It has been said that it is willing to mediate before China made this intention public. America was mediating between Pakistan and India, and Pakistan has taken the initiative to establish a peace dialogue with India. The situation has come on when Pakistan and China have seen the display of power of India. They have realized that now it is impossible to come to India and do anything and get away with it. There is the India that gives the message of peace, gives the message of humanity, but if anyone dares to show his anger towards India, then India has the power as well as the strictness to bring him to its feet. India's action with Pakistan is a big message to the whole world. So in all these circumstances, according to the Chinese government mouthpiece Global Times, it is being told that we appeal to both the sides to exercise restraint and peace in the interest of peace and stability, and come back on the path of political reconciliation through peaceful means. Refrain from any such action that makes the situation tense. This will be in the interest of both India and Pakistan. Peace and stability is necessary. The whole world is expecting this, and China is ready to play a role in ending it. After seeing Pakistan's dragon getting defeated, China is now talking about peace message. The reason for China's restlessness is that China has invested on a large scale in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. To ensure that its projects are not affected, China is now acting like a wild cat. Pakistan has unnecessarily enmity with India. The situation is such that in Pakistan itself, BLF has attacked 39 places. Pakistan is on the target of the Baloch Liberation Army because